Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Universal Yums box. This time we have got our box from, where are we? Taiwan.
What delicious food do you have for us today?
We're going to find out. Let's get straight into it. The first one we have is, and this one was made exclusively for the Universal Yum box. This is Pop Smile Bubble Tea Popcorn with black tea flakes.
Popcorn, yay!
Popcorn!
Ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Okay, you ready?
Why do some bits have green on it?
Because it's tea. You ready?
Yeah, but then the green disappears.
Are you eating it? It tastes like tea.
Well, now I know what tea tastes like.
And how are we feeling about it?
Well, I hate tea.
Okay, so are we giving it, what are we giving it?
Yeah.
I actually really don't mind the flavour of that. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Next up we have got these little things, which are seaweed corn bars.
Seaweed corn bars, ew.
So blue one for Will, they're all the same. Pink one for me and Will.
And it has green and this color like the popcorn.
It does have green on it, but that's seaweed.
Ew, I don't want to eat seaweed.
Seaweed yum. You ready? Try it.
Smells good. No, hate seaweed.
You can't even taste seaweed, it tastes like corn. I actually don't mind that either. How are we feeling about it? Yum.
I hate seaweed.
Okay, the next one we have got is a black sesame cake.
Black?
I wonder if these are like the sesame seed crackers that I used to eat.
Hang on.
Sesame cakes like these are enjoyed every day in Taiwan. You ready to try it?
Cool hard.
Yeah, I can't even.
Yeah, it tastes like the sesame seed crackers.
I can't even bite it.
Right, what are we giving that one? Will's being a hater today?
No, I kind of like it.
You kinda like it? Oh, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
Next up, we have got Nice Choice 5 spice crackers. One for you. One for you.
Don't eat it.
One for me. You ready?
Ooh, no good.
They're good. They taste like a spring roll. Do they? They're yum. Oh, I didn't think they were going to taste good at all.
We can have them forever.
What, these?
Yeah, we can buy them forever.
They were nice. What do we give those ones?
We can buy them at Safeway forever.
Oh, I think they're at groceries and I guess. Next up, we have got Taiwan peanut butter choco ball. This sounds like something I would
Yay,
like.
one chocolate one.
Yeah, you know they don't eat a lot of chocolate over there?
How come?
Is this
I
the
don't know.
chocolate thing?
This
in the
is the
box?
only chocolate thing in the box. So these have a peanut butter jam center, mochi exterior, and chocolate over the top.
See?
They come like this in a little wrapper.
They are very soft.
Yeah. Ready? We're gonna try them?
Is that marshmallow?
Mochi.
No, I never had mochi before.
Neither have I.
That's very interesting.
That is good.
I enjoy that.
You don't like that? You didn't eat yours.
Yeah, it is.
That's a double.
That's
That's a double. The first double for the video. Mum, do you give that a double?
Double, double, double.
I will give that a double. That's delicious.
Mm.
Right. Next up, we have got Mincha spicy scallion stick.
Ooh, are these spicy?
I think so.
They better be. I love.
You won't come across many that are spicy. They tend to avoid excessive heat. They do like...
Mom, I thought you said there were no spice in this.
I don't think it's actually spicy. I think it's just called spicy. It might be spicy for them. This is what it looks like. This looks so weird.
I would not like to eat this.
Come on, you're just gonna try it.
No, I'm putting it.
No, you're gonna try it.
That's
Come
the
on.
second I put it on my tongue. I don't like
We're gonna try it. Ooh, it is a bit spicy.
I don't like it. I just got a tiny bit.
You two didn't even eat that.
Yeah, I got a tiny bit.
It just tastes like sweet chili. What are we giving that one? Thumbs up. That was yummy too. I'm clearly not very fussy. Next up, we've got Cadena salted fries. These look like our little French fry sticks that we get.
From
Yeah.
McDonald's.
No, the chip French fries. You know what I'm talking about?
I mean the ones that.
Oh, they're thicker though.
Really?
Yes, they actually do look like a chip. Are you ready? Mm.
Good.
I didn't think they had much flavour. I'm going to give them a sideways. Just for the fun of it. Feel like I need to give something a sideways today. Next up we have got a Mincha taro wafer. So taro is a vegetable. It is like a potato. It's a potato.
The chip and that chocolate stuff don't go well
Oh, I
together.
hate vegetables.
I should like this. Here we go.
Thank
Here
you.
we go. Are you ready?
Not that bad.
I don't really have a taste. No.
I mostly like the cream.
That has less taste than the chips.
The chips and these are mostly my favourites.
Thumbs down.
I like the taste, but I'm a bit sad that it doesn't have any flavour.
You said you like.
The
You said you
cream.
like the
The
taste.
cream. I like the cream.
Okay, rightio. Next up, we have got Loco basil pea crackers. They look like pasta.
I think.
Oh, it smells like pesto. Oh, yum.
No, you just
Wait.
Oh, William.
Are you ready?
Can I have some more?
I like that.
I don't like it.
That is good. Pea crackers, hell yeah. Here is one that hopefully William will like. This is a brown sugar lotus cake.
Brown sugar.
It looks a little bit like monkey bread.
What's monkey bread?
I'll have to make it for you one day.
Nom, nom.
Alright, are we ready?
Oh, they're all stuck together.
Yeah, because it's got covered in brown sugar. You ready?
Nom, nom.
Thumbs up. Got a thumbs up from everyone. Yay! Okay. Next up, we have got Nice Choice carrot biscuits.
Mom, are those pancakes there?
Hang on.
Oh, Mom, I can see a baby bag.
A what?
A goodie bag.
Yeah, goodie bag.
What did you call a booty bag?
Yeah.
Alright, are we going to try the carrot chips? Carrot biscuits? Nah, the 5 spice ones were better.
Yeah.
I can feel spice.
Edible, but
I'll get along with it. Bit spicy but delicious.
thumbs down for you. Alright, next we
Actually,
have
no, I
got...
changed mine to thumbs up. It was spicy but delicious.
Oh, right you go, there you go. Next up we have got mango and white chocolate crepes.
Oh, that sounds good.
Mmm. Oh, they smell good. No, they got white chocolate and mango.
white chocolate and mango.
Oh, hang on, they're very flaky.
I might get along very great with this. If it doesn't
Will
break.
smell it.
It smells so good.
Mhm,
Okay, are we
it smells
ready?
like it smells like mango from the frosty mango.
You ready?
Okay, now I'm getting some on my face.
Right there, yum. Next we have got plum flavored sweet potato chips. It's a bit different. Taiwan's favorite vegetable is the sweet potato.
No,
Are you ready?
we got the big one.
Oh, they're sweet. Oh, that's weird.
Oh, those two.
It doesn't taste bad, it's just weird. I wasn't expecting it to be sweet. You don't like them? Next up, we have got sesame fried cookies. So these aren't like normal cookies that we have. They usually have these with tea.
Tea.
Yeah, a cup of green tea.
But
Can you cook some up?
No, I'm not going to cook up some green tea. Yeah.
Oh, I wanna be
Are you ready?
Taiwan.
It's a bit like a fortune cookie.
They taste really nice with that.
I might taste a little bit.
Tastes like a fortune cookie.
They taste really nice with the chocolate.
Really? Thumbs up, that tastes like a fortune cookie. Next up we have got peanut cake. So like the sesame seed one, but it's all peanuts. That's just peanut brittle. Yum.
I think there's honey on it.
Caramel. You don't like it? You love peanuts usually.
I only like the caramel.
Mm.
I only like it because of the caramel, so I'm doing
Kind of
this
fine.
Okay, now we're down to the yum bag.
Yay!
Go!
Okay.
Over, 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 over.
Okay, the
Mama,
first one that we have is
What are these? What are
taro milk candy.
these? Is that actually like toffee? I'm gonna spit it out.
It hot. I can actually buy it.
Oh, I don't really like that.
Mmm.
It tastes really weird.
Tastes like a milko. Well, they're milkshake lollies.
It tastes a bit weird to me.
I'm down with that.
I'm gonna point it out for me.
Weird.
Thumbs up. That's yum. Next up we have got starfruit candy.
Is this one
I
sugar?
do like starfruit. You ready? Did you already try it?
It looks like a lolly that I've had before. I can't remember the name of it though. Yeah, it looks like one of those Coca-Cola lollies.
You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one tastes a bit funky.
It's like a Coca-Cola lolly, but
Mom, there's
without
spin
the
here.
stick.
I'm alright.
They even taste like it a bit.
You think? Did you like that one?
Yeah.
Really? Alright, what do you give that, Amelia? What are you giving it? You're giving a thumbs up. You hated it a second ago. You don't need to change your mind just because Will likes it.
Give me a double. It's not that bad.
I don't really like that one.
I like it because
I
it
will-
tastes like Coke.
I would have sucked this every day.
You're just saying that because Will said that. You hated it a second ago.
I like it.
Oh my god. Okay, next up we have got Azuki red bean milk candy. So this is where it says, fun fact, Taiwanese people eat less than half a pound of chocolate every year. For reference, Americans consume on average
Hey, where's mine?
of over 10 pounds each.
Here.
Grab yours.
Okay.
No,
Really, oh.
So these are, the red bean is used as a substitute for chocolate. Oh, I don't like that
Maybe
one.
I should.
Do you like it?
It's not that bad. I only like the taste of tiny bits. So sideways.
Yes, yuck. The next one we have,
Is more Coca-Cola.
no, smoked plum candy.
Smoke.
Maybe they are.
Ugh.
Oh, now I know that.
Oh, the smell! I can smell the smoke from here.
Oh!
Just try it.
I don't want to eat
You have to try it.
I don't want to eat
Oh wait, that's
I wish I was allergic to it.
To plums. But it only smells bad.
What is in that?
It's just because it's smoked. Yeah, that's weird.
I'm sucking on my Coke lolly.
Thumbs down. What are you giving it?
Double.
Double thumbs down. You really hate that one. I think that one was the worst. And the last one in the box we have is black sesame milk candy. 2. Wait, Amelia.
Oh god, I do not want to eat this.
I'm not.
I'm skipping
No,
out the
you
last
gotta eat it. Try it, please.
No.
You have to try a little bit.
No.
Come on.
one. And no, Emil, I tried throwing it back. It's not that bad.
It's not.
It's just the smell.
It just smells funny.
Oh.
Try it.
Don't judge it by
Try
the
it.
look and
Try
the
it. Try it. It's better than that last one. I like that one. That's nothing. And what are you giving it? I give it a thumbs up.
Fine.
That one was good.
I can suck on this, but if I'm.
Oh, you like it now, do
Actually,
you?
no, I'll go with sideways. It's starting to taste a tiny bit weird now.
Tastes pretty good. It's a bit like peanut butter. We gotta give our reviews. So, Amelia, what was your favourite one?
I forgot what. Oh, yeah, my favourite one was that chocolate one.
The chocolate one was your favourite?
Yep.
You put Will down as that one?
I want that one.
Chocolate one? I think all our favourite was the chocolate one. That was really yummy. Which one was the worst one?
Oh, the worst one, I think it was.
Smoked plum for me.
Same smoked plum.
Like
My
plum.
mum.
So, all of our favourites were mochi balls.
Look at
They were delicious.
more my support.
Oh, do you just? And all of our worst was the smoked plum. Lovely. Okay, so that is all for our Taiwan box. I honestly thought the kids would hate a lot more than what they did.
Yeah.
So you guys surprised me.
I'm filled with surprises.
Yeah, I bet. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
Bye bye.